Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. In this particular video, we are going to deal with a very important topic and very interesting as well, and that is a food web. You might have heard about a food chain, which we discussed in the previous video, but when I say food web, so it's kind of confusing. You might be wondering that we know food chain, but what is this food web? Yup, your question is absolutely correct. So I guess very few people are aware about what a food web is because we commonly say food chain, we don't say food web. So in this video, we will discuss that what a food web is most probably. Okay, talking about starting from the very basics, I'll make you understand what a food web is. Okay, in nature, the same plants and animals can be eaten by more than one organism. Agree? Yep, do you agree? Yeah, what I said, in nature or an ecosystem or in an ecosystem, the same plant and the animal can be eaten by more than one organism. True? Yep, you agree? Yeah, okay. Let's take an example. Like the rats can be eaten by snakes and by the eagles as well. A dragonfly can be eaten by frogs and the lizards as well. Agree? Yep, you agree. Okay. Likewise, an animal need not to feed only on one type of food. Okay, like we humans, we don't only eat one thing. No, we try different varieties of nutrition and nourishment and everything. So we don't stick on one particular variety. No, so the similar case is with the animals as well. So an animal need not to feed only on one type of food. Agree? For example, a lion can feed on deer, zebras also, or buffaloes as well. Thus, one organism may occupy positions in more than one food chain. And this creates a complex web like pattern of multiple food chains connected naturally. And this is known as a food web. I repeat, yeah, we are talking about the food web. Food web, okay? Okay, let me repeat. A complex web like pattern of multiple food chains connected naturally is known as a food web. If you look at the picture carefully, which I have shown you here, in this you can see that grass, it starts from the producers. Now, this grass is eaten by the insect, by the bird, and the rat. Now, this rat is eaten by the cat. This bird is also eaten by the cat. Okay, and this insect is eaten by the frog, and this grass is also eaten by the butterfly. Okay, because butterfly is also an insect. Now this bird can also be eaten by the cat and by the snake, by the eagle as well. And now this frog which ate the insect can also be eaten by the snake, and in turn this frog can also be eaten by the eagle, and in turn this snake can be eaten by the eagle, and this butterfly can be eaten by the frog. So this is a kind of complex. So it's very simple. No, if you try to understand it, it's very 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 simple, because you can take the basic examples, which are the humans. Like, we don't stick on one variety of food. We try sometimes biryani, all right, then other dish, then the other dish, and then the other dish. So this goes on. No, if you stick on one kind of food, you're gonna get bored. No, agree? The similar case is with the animals as well. They can't stick on one only on the similar taste. They'll start getting bored now. So the similar case is also with the animals. So this is a food chain. It is a complex, yep, it is complex, complicated kind of web-like pattern of multiple food chains. Like, you can see that in this there are multiple food chains. You don't really find one food chain, you find multiple food chains here. So it's a complex web-like pattern of multiple food chains connected naturally, and we are not putting our efforts in that. Okay, we are not doing it artificially. This is naturally occurring. So that is why they connected naturally, and this is known as a food web. Very simple, right? Yep. I hope that you understood. So that's it for today. Jazakallah for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All right. See you in the next video very very soon, inshallah. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.